Remember to have your 120 chart with colors and pencil and paper to follow along. Wisconsin first graders, another day of Number Corner with me, Miss Gansko. We are going to get started with our date, but just keep in mind today is our last day, so sadly, of Number Corner. However, you guys have done a fabulous job. We are so very proud of you. And because of that, we are going to do one more special video for Number Corner to finish that hidden picture. I would really be so disappointed in myself if I let you guys go along through the whole summer not knowing what that hidden picture was. So we will finish it in the next video to come. So let's get started. The day of the week today is a Thursday, a thrilling Thursday, May 14th, 2020. I want you to think of the patterns coming up that we have shown a repeated pattern. It is a B, B, C, C pattern. Orange, purple, purple, yellow, yellow, orange, purple, purple. What do you think that is? So I'm going to put in today's date while you guys make a prediction of what color is going to be our next card. All right, first graders, let's go ahead and flip it over. We have Tad hopping 3 spaces down. He is hopping 3 spaces down. Let's get out our 120 chart. He ended yesterday on the number 46. So that means he is starting on 46 today. So we are locating the number 46, which is right here. And we did have a yellow card. So make sure that you have your yellow coloring utensil. I will make sure to switch to yellow. We're on 46, and if he goes down, is he counting up or down? Our number is getting larger, so he is counting up. If we move down on our 120 chart, our numbers are getting larger. And if we go from 46 to 56, he is getting larger by 10. He is hopping by 10s. So let's go ahead and count by 10s 3 times because he's hopping down 3 times. He starts on 46, 56, 66, 76. So we are going to color 76 yellow. So go ahead and color it yellow. And I am going to start our equation. Remember, we ended on 46. He is adding, remember we talked about our numbers getting larger by 10s. Every hop down is a 10. And he did 3 times, so 10, 20, 30. So he's adding 30. And he ended on 76. Great job, first grade. Make sure that you colored it in. I'm going to go ahead and add my arrows on our observation chart. He is hopping down, insert, 2, 3. There we go. We have our 3 arrows down, and our equation was 46 plus 30 equals 76, and we ended on 76 today. Nice job, first graders. We will also go ahead and do tomorrow's. So let's go ahead. Give me that drum roll. I'm going to move our chart over so we can see 15 here. And flipping it over. Ooh, another yellow card. And Tad is hopping down and then over. Okay, down and over. He is going to the right. He is going to the right. And let's look at our 120 chart. He ended on 76. He's hopping down 1 more. So remember we counted going down is getting larger. So he is going down by 10. He is adding 10. So 76 plus 10. And now he's moving to the right. One spot. 86, 87. So plus 1 equals 87. There we go. Let's make sure to color that in yellow. You guys go ahead and color your 87 in yellow, and I will add it to our observation chart. So we had for the 15th tomorrow, we started on 76. Our arrows were one hop down and one to the right. Our equation was 76 plus 10 equals, adding another 1 equals 87. And we ended on 87 today. Great job, first grade. So here we still have that mystery picture. I don't know what it's going to be. It's still pretty crazy, but we will finish that mystery picture. And off to how many days we have been learning. We are going to count by 25s. 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, and a whole column adding 10s, 160. And let's switch to another color today, red, and adding 1, we have 161 days of learning. Let's move on to our days in school chart. We need to change this to 161, and we need to add to our picture. My friends, what do we need to do to our number that says 160? We need to erase this 0 and put a 1 there. Looking at our picture, we have 10 tens, that equals 100, and we have 6 tens here for 60. And I heard somebody say we need to add a 1s, Miss Gansko. So we will go ahead and add a little Q for a 1s down there. There, now it says 161. Looking at our expanded notation, remember that our place value is following our 100, 10s, and 1s place value. So we're going to go ahead and fix it to match. We need to change the 0 to a 1. We're adding 1 more equals 161. Nice job. Now we're looking at the difference between 200 and 161. Let's look at our chart. Let's count what our difference is between how many we've marked and how many to get to 200. So we're going to start by 10s. 10, 20, 30, halfway, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So we have a difference of 39 days. Go ahead and subtract 39 from 200 equals, or is a difference of 161. Great job. Now don't forget to make a crazy, expressive, marvelous math equation for your first grade teacher, or just for your parents, and have like a celebration. 161 days of learning this year. That is a lot to accomplish, first graders. And we are now going to move to our collection of quarters. Let's start off with our poem. Quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, I am told. We're adding another quarter to our pocket. And we have $1 and, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I put that over here, guys, we filled in our dollar here. So I need to take these 4 quarters and exchange it for $1. So I'm going to put $1 right on top of it, just like I exchanged it at the bank. And looking here, first graders, we have $1 bill and another dollar bill. So if we can count by ones for dollars, $1, $2. So we have collected 200 cents, or we can say $2. So I'm going to go ahead and erase this. And together we are going to write 200 cents. But remember, we don't go around saying, oh, that's 200 cents. We know it's 200 cents, but we say $2. We have collected $2 this month. Nice job, first grade. We are going to move to that homework that you had. Looking at that homework that you guys had, we had 26 cents that we were trying to figure out how to make with only using 4 coins. Only using 4 coins. So let's go ahead and see how you guys did. Unraveling, and he opens up his hand. He has, what are those? They're worth 10. Dimes. Dimes are worth 10. Dimes, dimes, little and thin. I remember, you're worth 10. And then I have here, this one worth 5. Quarters. Quarter, quarter. Thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents. I know that. And then we have a little penny there. Penny, penny, easily spent. Copper brown and worth 1 cent. And I see 1, 2, 3, 4 coins. Let's count them together to make sure that we have earned, or we have 26 cents. 10, 20, 25, 26 cents. How'd you guys do? I bet you guys did fabulous, marvelous, first graders. Fantastic. And we are done with our number corner today. Remember, we are so proud of you. Go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back or a big shout out. I know that so many of you guys have done an amazing job this last quarter with even doing so much work at home. And I know it can be very hard, but know that we miss you guys so much. And big bear hug to all of you guys. We love you, and we will definitely see you guys next year. Lots of high fives and hugs to come. Bye, first grade.